Every year on the first Saturday in May, Seattle holds its opening boat day. Hundreds of boats and thousands of people assemble for the free event on the southern edge of the University of Washington. Opening day features two boat parades, which bookend a regatta of crew races. The boat parades are hosted by the Seattle Yacht Club, located at the southern corner of Portage Bay. The regatta is hosted by the University of Washington and is sponsored by Windermere Real Estate. The day begins with an opening parade of VIP boats carrying officials for the opening day. Once the last of the VIP yachts is moored to the boom line, the crew racing is ready to begin. Over the span of the next 90 minutes, nearly 24 races take place. The 2,000-meter race course starts at the east end of Union Bay. For the first 1,200 meters, the rowers are on open water, flanked by boats moored to the boom line on either side. Then the racers enter the Montlake Cut and pass under the Montlake Bridge. The finish line is where the Montlake Cut transitions into Portage Bay. To squeeze 22 races into 90 minutes, starting times are set just 3 minutes apart, so 3 or 4 sets of racers are on the course at the same time. The final 2 races of the day are reserved for an international challenger to the University of Washington's men's and women's Varsity 8 crews. This year, the challengers were crews of elite rowers from Australia. All the racing boats wait beyond the finish area until the final race is over. Then they all make their way back up the course. Once the last of the racers finish their way back to Union Bay, the Montlake Bridge opens for the closing parade of boats, led by the day's official Coast Guard cutter.